Hi, third graders. We're going to check our work for DLA day 3, week 29, and today's Thursday. So let's look at number 1. It says, to correct these sentences, I talked so much last week that my throat hurt. Okay, so we know that the action happened last week, so we need to make sure that the verb shows that it is in the past tense. So we'll start first with a capital I, and then we're going to add an ED to the word talked. I talked, to put in the past tense, so much last week that my throat hurt. And then we're going to put a period at the end. So your sentence looks like this. I talked so much made a mistake here, so it's just a scribble. I talked so much last week that my throat hurt. If you got that right, give yourself a star. Number 2, I got a doctor's appointment Tuesday at 7:45. So we're going to start again with a capital, and instead of the word got, we're going to take that out and we're going to write have. I have a doctor's. So this is a possessive noun, so we're going to put an apostrophe between the R and the S. What belongs to the doctor? The appointment. I have a doctor's appointment Tuesday with a capital letter. It's a proper noun, so we capitalize it, at 7:45. And then between the hour, which is 7, and 45, which is the minutes, we're going to insert a colon, the 2 dots, and then it's a statement at the end, or a period at the end because it's a statement. So your sentence looks like this. I have a doctor's appointment Tuesday with a capital letter at 7:45. All right, if you got that right, give yourself a star. Number 3, what do the following words have in common? Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Neptune. Those are all planets. So in common means what do they have that is the same? They are all planets. If you got that right, give yourself a star. Number 4, 10, 50, 70, 30. Those are all numbers, and if you want to get specific, those are all tens. So if you counted by tens, you would come up with each of those numbers. So if you got that right, give yourself a star. Okay, and number 5 says, underline the cause and circle the effect. So this is something that we worked on very briefly at the very beginning of the year, and we will be working on it again before the end. So let me remind you, a cause is an event that happens. And then what happens after that, because of the cause, is the effect. So the cause has to happen first to make an effect. So let's look at this. The water pipe broke, so the basement flooded. So we have to decide what was the first event that happened. Did the water pipe break or did the basement flood? Well, in this case, the water pipe had to break. So that's going to be the cause. So we're going to underline that water pipe broke. And then the effect is what happened because the water pipe broke. Well, the basement flooded. So it said to circle the effect. All right, if you got that right, give yourself a star. And so number 3 was talking about planets. Let's see you draw a planet. Let's see. I think Neptune sounds like a good one for now. All right, boys and girls, I'll be looking for your planet. Good job checking your work, and we'll see you next time.